Hello Mako Madness fans, this is Dan checking in from the Mako construction site again. And good news, crews have been super busy placing a whole bunch of track. Looks like that hill right there leading up before the speed hill is all done. And there's a whole bunch more that they've actually done as well. We're gonna walk around and show you. Who wants airtime? Because you should be able to get some with that kind of hill. So really good news to see is the maintenance barn is now getting covered. They've done a lot of work just in the last couple days, and it's almost fully enclosed. Trains should be on the way or already here, so getting that done is a very vital step. So if we want to talk about progress, check this out. They've done at least 9 pieces of track in the last 2 days and a bunch of supports. We have this hill right here that leads up before the speed hill, of course, and all that new track. And then we have the other sections right there leading up to the first airtime hill. We got another piece of track that is being raised into the air. Well, I hope you guys think that I have dedication. It is absolutely pouring out, and I'm still filming. And the crews are still working, so as long as they're still working, I'm gonna be still filming, so we'll see how it goes. As we can see with this segment, it's just about ready. It's going to be going right there to finish off the little hill. There's a lot of steel in the air right now, and there's only going to be more. There we go. Now we finally have some movement with that track piece. She's flying. And it's going into place now. We do have crews that are up on a lift, ready again. And once again, that dude, he likes to hang off track. Just like the last video that we had, they're putting in the spikes to hold the track pieces together. There'll be one other one that is going to be placed on the opposite side, and then come the bolts. See, there's the spike going in. Bang, 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 bang. Easy peasy. Fits like a glove. Well, it literally only took them about 5 minutes to install this piece of track, and they're already torquing down the bolts. And just like that, we're all bolted in. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Mako construction update. As we can see, a lot of track has been placed just in the last couple days. Weather is looking pretty good for the next week. In fact, sunny skies, about 70 degrees the rest of the week, so looking nice. But if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube page at Mako Madness, and I will see you out on the Midway.